Is there a reason why you're coming over here?
No, I'm just admiring it. It's a nice car. See the wheels? Real nice. Just admiring it.
Then you can keep on going then.
You guys got nothing better to do than harass me for no damn reason.
Go.
You're walking in my face.
Go before you get...
Don't touch me.
Go.
I'm not doing
Get off my scene. Get away from my car. Go.
There's your second unit. Call a damn supervisor. Oh, what? You could stand still and call the supervisor.
Hello, Post-Pollock viewers. Dave Epstein here from the Post-Pollock firm. Today, we're going to see a video entitled, Cocky Teen Tries Outsmarting Cop, Fails Miserably. We've all seen this happen. Let's see what happens with this guy. We're going to see what we can learn from him. All right, folks, so as I watched this video, it struck me that you see the same themes or some of the same themes. And if you just follow a simple, I thought of an acronym or a mnemonic that you can follow anytime you are having an interaction. I think you're going to have an acronym, have an interaction with the police. I call it case, and it's what kind of case are you going to have? What kind of case are you going to give to your lawyer? C stands for credentials. Always have your credentials ready. A, awareness of your rights. Know what you can and can't do. You don't have to be a lawyer, but you have to understand when you can do things and not do things, what you have to do. You have to give your credentials. That's the C. S, shut up. Unless and until you have to give an answer, such as giving your credentials, because you have to identify yourself, keep your mouth shut. E, even-tempered. I don't know what it is that leaves people thinking that if they start to tee off on a police officer, they're somehow going to help themselves. No. Be even-tempered. Be civil. Be respectful. Try not to get into fights with the police officer, verbal or, God forbid, otherwise, and it's assaulting an officer. So keep that in mind as you watch this video.
Investigates a black Honda Civic he suspects is stolen. An unwanted guest inserts himself in the officer's business.
Is there a reason why you're coming over here?
No, I'm just admiring it. It's a nice car. See the wheels? Real nice. Just admiring it.
Then you can keep on going then.
Hey, it's not illegal to be in a public space.
You can go ahead and start me a tow, please. I'm at Target for a black Honda Civic.
Look how nice and shiny this dude's wheels are. This thing looks slow, man. You waiting for something?
I'm towing the car.
Why?
Because it's got no plates and the VIN's covered. Not yours, huh? No idea?
Look at me like I'm doing something wrong.
You're chilling in a public spot, man. You can do whatever you want.
I know.
Cool.
Man, this cop's trying to tow this random dude's car. What a shame.
Yep, what a shame.
It's going to be real expensive for that guy.
Yeah, I guess so.
You want to get your nasty ass shoe off that rim?
Is this your car, man?
I got it.
Because we can solve this real quick just by you opening the car, removing the VIN. But you shoved the paper in the VIN, I can't read the VIN, it's got no plates, so I'm assuming it's stolen. So per RCW, I gotta seize it, get a search warrant, remove that, and read the VIN.
Hear me out. Is there a black two-door Honda Civic with white wheels and a aftermarket wing reported as stolen?
There's 1,000 stolen cars a month in Pierce County, bud.
The answer
and this is the most common stolen vehicle in Pierce County.
The answer is, why don't you just uncover it yourself?
I can't. It's inside the car.
What a shame.
What a shame.
What a shame.
So if this is your car, we can go ahead and solve this crisis, but if you're not going to claim ownership of this, then just...
Why would I claim ownership of a car that's got a cop that's 100% going to hand out tickets?
Right. That being said, it's going to come to the Gay Carver Police Department. We're going to go ahead and seize it on a search warrant.
Seize it on a search warrant for what? What are you searching it for?
To uncover the VIN.
For what? Do you have any suspicion of it being stolen other than no plates and a covered VIN?
Absolutely.
Okay, folks. Well, so far, the thing that I think is most needed right now for this kid is an IQ test. Because everything I've said over these many videos I've made, and there are certain rules we see, he's violating. First of all, it's obviously whether the car's abandoned, whether he bought it and didn't register it, whatever is going on with this car, this knucklehead comes back and is pacing around. Oh, nice car. I mean, does he really think that the police are that stupid? He's obviously got an interest in this car. He's asking, well, why would you tow it? He's going through this whole rigmarole. And, and it's one of the first rules I tell you is the S word. Keep your mouth shut. Shut up. If they're going to tow it, they're going to tow it. The police are there already. If you don't have credentials, if you're guilty of something, he said, well, they're going to hand out tickets. Well, they're going to happen anyway. And you're not going to change anything. If the car is not registered, if there are no credentials for it, then the car is going somewhere. Even if you now say, well, it's mine, you didn't have plates on it, if there's something wrong with the registration. So there's the C word. Where are your credentials? Get the credentials. Always have your credentials ready. Now, if it's stolen, you're not going to have those. But if he had them, then he would say something about it. He should also follow the A word. Be aware of your rights. If this car is stolen, if there is anything that is improper about it, if it wasn't registered, if you're not supposed to be owning it, you should be aware of the fact that by tying yourself to that car, you're tying yourself to whatever offense is being committed in connection with that car. And so already this kid's putting himself behind the 8 ball. Stupid.
What's your suspicion of it being stolen, officer?
Hey, man, is this your car or what? Because you're making this so much harder than it needs to be.
You're fucking towing it for no reason. You got your nasty ass shoe on the fucking wheel.
Yeah?
Get your fucking shoe off the wheel.
Is this your car?
You're being disrespectful to whoever's fucking car it is.
Okay, you need to back off my face, go over there.
I'm not in your face. You just stuck your fucking hand in my face.
Bud.
Bud,
Chill.
Get your fucking... Why is your foot on the wheel? Why are you doing that? You're literally doing that to piss me off for no fucking reason.
Because it's your car?
Doesn't matter.
Is this your car or what?
You're gonna scratch those fucking wheels and have to pay for them.
Yeah. All right, go ahead and walk
Well,
over
I don't know what policy is. Your department's probably gonna have to fucking pay for these $1,000 wheels.
Yeah, go ahead and walk over there, bud.
Keep your fucking hand out of my face.
Walk over there.
Keep your fucking hand out of my face.
Walk.
Okay, this kid, I may have just come up with a mnemonic or something to remember. The other thing that you have to do when you interact with the police is be even-tempered. The E word, even-tempered. Don't act like a jerk. Show some respect. There's this whole edginess with people with police. I know you're nervous, and listen, sometimes the police aren't being that nice. This officer is being pretty laid back, and this idiot is saying, you're going to scratch those wheels, but it's not my car. And he's using the F word with the police officer. He's doing everything he can to antagonize the officer, when what this kid should be doing, unless he's got something to prove that that car is legitimately his, is shut his mouth. And again, be even-tempered. Even if the police officer is not being even-tempered, everybody is supposed to have BodyCam on nowadays. And when you're being polite and civil, if the police officer is being a wise guy or being nasty or being unnecessarily dictatorial, that shows on the BodyCam later on. So the phrase that pays is case. Have a good case for your lawyer. And this kid is not presenting a good case. Let's see a little bit more.
Walk. Get out of my face. Go.
You're walking in my face.
Go before you do.
Don't fucking touch me.
Go.
I'm not doing
Get off my scene. Get away from my car. Go.
This ain't your car.
Go.
Your car's back there.
I'm getting here for a search warrant. Start moving.
You are approaching me. You are getting in my face.
Move back.
Get your hand off me.
Stay off the car.
Arrest me or don't. Keep your motherfucking hands off me.
Stay off the car.
Keep your motherfucking hands off me.
Stay off the car.
Off the car? You're the one that was on the fucking car. I ain't touching it. I'm off the car.
Back up.
I'm fucking back.
Okay. Back up.
Start recording this. Touch me again, motherfucker. Come push me.
Back up.
Come push me.
Okay, just so you know, folks, the other thing that's happening here, we get back to awareness of your rights, is this kid is now, this non-owner of the car is now obstructing a police investigation. He's walking in front of the police officer. He's cursing him out. Get your foot off the car. Getting in the officer's face. That could be considered obstruction of justice or obstruction of an investigation. Because this police officer showing up, he's got a car with no plates. And when you have a car with no plates, you don't just leave it there. You have to remove it from the scene and you have to take it, you have to tow it and find out, get the VIN number, find out if it's been reported stolen. And that's all he's doing. This jerk wants to, obviously owns the car, has some, maybe he stole, I don't know what he did. But he obviously has an interest in the car, but he wants to pretend that he doesn't and prevent the police officer from looking into it or towing it. So he's adding to what he's done already.
You're pushing me for no goddamn reason. You're putting your hands in my face.
Yep.
I kept my phone back respectfully. I wasn't sticking it in your face. I got your name and that was it. What's your badge number?
117. So like I was saying, this car's coming to the Gig Car Police Department. If you're not going to claim ownership of it, what's going to happen is we're going to get a search warrant.
You're shoving me. Why would I want to make it easy on you?
Okay, anyways, we're going to get a search warrant to remove the cover from the VIN, and if it comes back stolen, we'll deal with it. If not, we'll come back to the last person who has ownership, give them the call to come pick it up. If that ain't you, you ain't getting the car back. All right?
Sick.
Cool.
So, I'm just going to repeat what you said real quick to make sure I understand.
Yep.
Okay. You are going to get a search warrant.
Yep.
Which means you call or whoever you have to call, and then they say, yes, you can open the door, move the piece of paper, correct?
Correct.
Or do you have to tow it first?
Gotta tow it first. Per an RCW, sir.
So, I think I'm gonna visit you down at the department, and I'm gonna actually get a supervisor down here. Since you were shoving me for no reason.
Yeah.
Get your come on, call the supervisor.
Yeah. I could do that for you, but first I'm gonna need you to back away from the vehicle.
No, I'm gonna need you to call a supervisor.
Well, I ain't gonna help you out right now.
You are legally required to call your supervisor if requested.
Not correct.
Get your supervisor down here.
I will when you back up.
I have not committed any crime. I am back.
You know, the kid's kind of, well, he's not right, but he is right. He's not a suspect. They're focused on the car. And this moron is like, get your supervisor. If you're not the subject of an investigation, which he wasn't until he, like an idiot, walked up and made himself a part of the investigation, there's no right to call your... I can't just walk up to a police officer on the street and say, call your supervisor. The officer, I didn't see whether he pushed him or not, whether he used excessive force. It was not clear on the video. I would say to police officers, if you don't have to, just say back away. Listen, if you don't back away, I'm going to have to physically move you away because you're getting in my way. I'm trying to find out information about this car, and it's going to be towed. Please step back. So in that respect, you don't want to be shoving somebody, but this kid is putting himself in a position where the police officer has no choice. And if he keeps it up, and I didn't see this video yet, but I anticipate what's going to happen, he's going to get a good chance to meet the supervisor when they book him at the police station. Because the kid, he obviously is some Monday morning lawyer, if you will, and doesn't know what the hell he's talking about. And he is about to get arrested because he can't keep his mouth shut.
Okay. You shoved me back. I am back.
So here's what's going to happen. One, I'm not going to do your request until I get a second unit down here because I'm guarding the door from you getting in it. That's why I'm pushing you back away from it because you keep trying to get near the door. Two, when a second unit comes here, I will call you a supervisor. But until I get a second unit down here, you're not getting a supervisor.
Are you serious?
I'm absolutely serious.
There's your second unit. Call a damn supervisor. Oh, what? You could stand still and call the supervisor, but you can't do it because you're standing in front of a door.
Yep.
Oh, all of you guys. You guys got nothing better to do than harass me for no damn reason.
Yep.
Look at this dumbass.
Let's back up again. Harass him for no damn reason. The car is sitting there. The police officer's sitting there. He claims to have nothing to do with the car, but he won't leave. In the good old days, the supervisor would have shown up with the shillelagh, so to speak, and said, "We'll straighten this out right now." The kid is getting in a cop. It's clear it's his car. He's trying to keep it. Who knows? And he's digging himself in deeper. Nobody's going to put up with his nonsense. The officer is overall behaving appropriately. He's trying to secure a car that could be stolen. He doesn't know. And this kid injected himself into this scene while pretending he has nothing to do with the car. He says he's being harassed. Good, walk away. He could walk away.
He doesn't even know how to park a car. Are you f***ing serious? Are you f***ing serious?
Anyways, he says it's not his car, but he's acting like it's his car.
This stupid motherfucker just ran into my car for no reason.
Oh, it is your car. Okay.
This. Get my car.
All right, come here.
Are you serious?
Come here. So now it's your car, right?
Oh yeah.
All right, listen.
Arrest me.
So it's a gross misdemeanor to cover up your VIN like that. Do you understand?
I literally just
All
got
right,
it back.
Okay, let's go ahead and see some ID now.
I don't have my wallet or
Okay,
anything.
what's your name?
For what? What crime have I?
It is a gross misdemeanor to cover up your VIN.
I'm not the one that covered it.
It's your car, right?
Car, right?
What's your name?
Cody.
Cody what? Cody, what's your birthday, Cody?
2005.
What's the rest of your birthday?
Oh, you. What?
Cody.
In my car. What do you mean what? Continue what? I'm not committing a crime. Raising my voice is not committing a crime.
Cody, you're being detained.
Remember, folks, the S in case, shut up. So he just admitted it's his car. I mean, eventually, if he wants to keep the car, he's going to have to say something. If he had come up and said, yeah, this is my car, oh, I have to get it registered, maybe he'd get a little traffic type ticket or a misdemeanor. But what he's done so far is with this idiotic perception of what his legal rights are, and he's watched too many cop shows or seen too many civil rights, how-tos, he's put himself into a much worse situation.
You're not free to leave. I don't.
Good. Hey, thanks for your service.
Yeah, no problem. I'm a little busy right now, but I appreciate it.
Sure. Yeah, I imagine you're a Trump supporter?
No comment.
All right.
He wanted to talk to you, but I think you already got that far.
Yeah. Is that my ticket?
No, this is the law in which we are seizing your vehicle for. So you're not getting this back. We are seizing it. We are going to uncover the VIN with a search warrant. We'll give you a call back if need be, but you're free to go from here. If it comes back stolen, you've been contacted for stolen vehicle in the past. We know where to come find you. Yes, you have. I looked up the report.
No, I haven't. For what?
For black Honda Civic from Pierce County.
Okay, that I can actually. 1 second, I will call you right back. Check my center console. I give full consent.
Going in there without a search warrant.
There is a business card from an officer.
Yeah.
I got pulled over. The officer said it was coming up as stolen. By the way, did not hit my car when he did that. Okay. He said the car's coming up as stolen. This was right after I purchased it from an auction. They called in. I don't know who they called. I'm not a cop. Okay. They called, got it cleared up. That was this car. It was previously stolen. Got towed. The title got written over to the tow company, and then I purchased it from an auction. So no, I have not been contacted about a stolen car.
Listen, I'm just going this route, all right? It's the route we're going to go with. You could have cooperated about 20 minutes ago when you walked up.
Suck my...
All right.
It's stupid. Hit my car, now it's hitting. Hey, who's towing it?
Town and country?
Oh, that's...
As the tow truck arrives, the suspect's stepfather arrives on scene, and he quickly becomes a suspect himself.
Hey, Leo. Okay, we're towing the car. I need you to back off. Because the VIN's covered.
I'm on fucking...
Okay, that's great. The tow truck is coming right here. I need you to move. Back up.
You don't need to touch me.
Get away.
Hey, he was having the same issue touching me.
Go.
I'm asking a motherfucking
Move.
question, okay?
The tow truck is blocking. You're blocking the tow truck. Go.
Don't fucking touch me, dude.
Go.
He's touched me multiple times. Don't fucking touch me.
Get out.
A whole family of imbeciles. That's what we have here, folks. A cluster of imbeciles. He's going to come straighten it out. What interest does this guy have in the car? You see him, he walks right up, gets right in their face, and they're saying, back off, don't touch me. It's apparent that this family rehearses this nonsense. Or I don't know what they do, but this is bizarre. And why is this guy coming and injecting himself into the idiotic scene that his stepson into which his stepson injected himself? Maybe we'll find out.
Turn up and jump right back.
Are you fucking serious? I'm trying to figure out what the purpose is for you guys
nothing to do with you.
towing.
You're under arrest this time.
Oh, shit. You're good, dude. Don't quit it. Is he being arrested or detained?
Yes, he's being arrested. You got anything illegal on you?
Do I what?
Anything illegal on you? Any drugs, contraband, weapons?
I have a torch in my pocket.
Torch. So real quick, being audio and video recorded, you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in the court of law. You understand all that?
Yes.
What's your name?
Justin.
Justin.
Yeah.
What's your relationship here?
It's my stepkid.
Stepkid?
Yes.
Okay, all this could have been simply avoided just by uncovering a VIN and explaining why the VIN's covered. Now we gotta seize it because we have to think it's stolen. The VIN's covered, it's got no plates. What I tried to explain, why it getting towed.
Still in it?
There's no plates on it.
In the trunk. There's not a plate in the trunk. No.
Okay? It's a Honda Civic. Look at me, Justin.
I know.
It's a Honda Civic, right? Most commonly stolen vehicle. Yes, yes. See? Shake up and down. All this could have been avoided with just a little bit of cooperation. Now, when I tell you to get out of the way, the tow truck's coming because I got to seize this vehicle, you need to get out of the way. Not sit here and keep arguing with me, blocking the tow truck and blocking me from doing my job. That's why you're under arrest.
Answer my question.
Why is the car getting towed?
Yeah.
Because the VIN is covered.
Okay, well, that would have been... Was that really that hard to say?
Is that my job to explain to you? Why are you here?
Have fun explaining this to my sister. The fact that I'm not making my flight now.
Come on over here.
Okay, folks. Well, I will say this. While the father it was just dumb. He did show up and kind of get in the way of a tow truck taking the car away. It was a pretty quick episode. And it wasn't, I don't know if the orders of the officer were entirely clear. By that I mean, if you don't get away, we're going to have to arrest you or something. I know that sounds too formalistic, but it probably would have been a better case for them because I don't think the guy was going to get out of the way anyway. These two, this pair is just off the wall. So whether he was obstructing or committing a similarly described act, whatever every state has, usually it's obstruction of justice. They have a different definition sometimes. Maybe, maybe not. But I don't think anybody could ever sue for a wrongful arrest because the guy got right in their face what he was doing there, with this car that 1 minute the stepson admits he owns, the next he doesn't. I don't know. Let's see how this ends.
I thought you looked familiar. You've been staying out of trouble for a while. Section, I got one customer. Is he gonna make it? Sitting there talking to the guy. Hey, man, this is your car. Yeah. Just cover the VIN. Yeah. Hey, stay away from the tow truck driver. Let him do his job.
While the stepfather was booked at jail for obstructing a law enforcement officer and is innocent unless proven guilty in a court of law, the vehicle was towed from the scene. After obtaining a search warrant, officers found small amounts of unsealed cannabis and a smoking pipe in the center console. Cody is not 21 years old and is not allowed to possess cannabis.
So anyway, folks, looking at the end result, it looks like we have an obstruction charge against the stepfather who bought that charge himself. Everything could have been avoided. The cannabis, I don't know what happened with the car, meaning whether it was determined to be stolen, whether these people own it, whether they have some document establishing title in the kid's name or somebody's name. They're saying that there was cannabis found in the car. I'm not sure if it was that. They said the search warrant wasn't written to seize illegal drugs, but if they happen to find it or happen to see it sitting there, if it's in plain view, they could act on it. But the kid was sort of half admitting it's his car and half not. I don't know if you could really tag him with it unless you had fingerprints on it or something like that. So, but remember, the key here was they did not show, nobody was showing credentials when they needed to. They were obviously not aware of their rights, or better yet, aware of how to interact with the police and what they could face if they suddenly, in this kid's case, injected himself into this investigation, which he didn't have to do. He did not shut up. He would not shut up. And he was not even-tempered. Instead, he was flipping out. And I have to tell you, the police officer maintained his composure while this kid looked like a complete jackass. He basically, and he's lucky he did not get arrested. I'm telling you, as I was watching that video, I thought he was going to get arrested for obstruction. I think at certain points they could have. So the police officer was pretty laid back, but I guess when the stepfather got there and started doing the same thing, they said enough is enough. Whether he would be convicted, I don't know. But what you really want to spend the night in jail? He said he was going to miss a flight. you got to learn to chill, as the officer was saying. Learn to chill. Listen, folks, I hope you learned something from this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please hit like and subscribe. Please leave your comments. Always love to hear from you. Dave Epstein signing off for the Post Pollock firm. Thank you.